Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Whoa, can you guys tell when I'm in a good mood? Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new hyped day here. It's a very hyped day for me. I woke up this morning and I was ready to get a workout in, and I got pumped and I did it, and babe got up and worked out too, so that's good. Yes, Sarah? What's wrong? Honey, water. Like I was saying, we woke up, worked out this morning, and we're on a mission. Get it right. Hey. Today is the beginning of our 10-day green smoothie cleanse. I'm motivated to do it with babe, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Today's smoothie, I tell you guys, I'm gonna share the smoothies with you. So today's smoothie is spinach, mango, strawberry, grapes, apple, stevia, flaxseed, and water. That's the ingredients for today's smoothie. And we're having a cup of detox tea. So we had our water while working out. We're gonna have our tea next, and then our smoothie. We can sip it, we can drink it all at once, whatever you want to do with it, but ensure that you get it in. So I'm going to have my tea, get a shower, and then have my smoothie. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. We are going on the road today. We have some few little knickknacks to pick up on the road today, so you guys will see the rest of the family as the day goes by. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now and give this video a thumbs up, and catch up and keep up with the entire fam band. Okay, boom boom boom. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go blend this smoothie right now. And if you guys wondering what kind of detox tea we are having, I think we're having one with lemon and mint. And I'm still going to make green juice just in case throughout the day we feel for something to drink. Then the green juice is a good substitute. The kids also still have to get their green juice in the morning, so I'll still make that. And I still have to make dinner for the kids, but no big dinner and big lunch like I used to do for babe and I, for the entire crew. Anyway guys, so let's everybody go get fresh. We'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Day one blend look like. This is day one blend, and we have 3 times of this. So this is breakfast. Whichever one I choose is gonna be lunch, and then the other one for Din. Babe already have his breakfast. We started our breakfast a little bit late this morning. It is after 11 and I'm just having breakfast, but that's okay. Makes it day even better for me. How's the taste, you ask? Day one is always okay. The rest of the days, I'm gonna tell you a lie. Oh, I'm using this book, the same book we used a few years ago. It's called 10-Day Green Smoothie Cleanse by J.J. Smith. So that's the book I'm using to guide me along. Friend, how was day one?
So promoting whatever.
Well, I just have a good heart. I guess I wasn't thinking like that.
Yeah, promoting a book.
Say hello to the babes.
Hi.
How was the smoothie?
The smoothie was good. The smoothie was good. I'm starting. I remember I had the headache 5 years ago, 6 years ago.
That's normal.
Yes, I'm starting
Headache.
to feel it coming. I'm not that. I'm
You
not
start to feel it
hungry.
coming?
Yeah, I'm not hungry.
Really, babe? Already?
I'm not hungry.
Sure.
I'm okay. Actually, I'm more hungry now than I was before the smoothie. Like he opened my appetite. But
It says the first 4 days is the hardest.
I remember the last time I was the one doing it the best.
Yeah.
So I know I will do it.
Pink.
I don't know where is the pink one.
Pink.
I don't know where it is. Can you say hello to the faves? Look.
Hello.
Say, how are you?
How are you?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Anyway, you guys, we're here watching Winter Olympics. Winter Games is going on. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Mama.
Yes, Sarah. What do you want?
Yes, Mama.
No, leave my watch, please. Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you later.
See you later.
We are on the road. Today we're going to pick up Tyler's glasses. We should see Tyler in his new glasses today. Look at him, new glasses. Let's go pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Wow, with glasses. Glasses.
Yes. Ooh. Ooh, Ty. Tyler, turn around. No, sit. Put it on, Ty. Turn around, let me see you. Oh my god. He's so cute. You're so cute. Take off the mask. Take down the mask from your ears. Don't put your finger on the thing. He's so cute. You're so adorable. No, not for you, princess. Look at Tai Tai. Look at Tai Tai. It's not glasses for you, princess. It's glasses for Tai Tai. Yes. You guys, Tyler get his glasses. He's the cutest. I'm on the mall trying to find flaxseed, powdered flaxseed, and it's the hardest thing to find. I just can't find it anywhere. I'm gonna have to go and stop at another beer store to see if I find it. But hey, I have to keep looking. The mall is not too full today. It's kind of few people out, not too much. Maybe it's depending on the time. Sarah is here at a little playground, sliding, playing with Ty. Hey, I'm back. C'est pas un magasin. Oui. You tell me? Ah, okay.
I did these 2 puzzles.
Okay, good. Hi, princess. We, so, which way are we going? Because if we go there, she's going to see the slide. They have time to stop at the slide, she's going to see it. She's going to want to do it. We can't go from the outdoor, no matter.
But she can't do this slide. She's not happy. Get together. Around the rosy, catch it by the posy. Dash it, dash it. Yeah, found them. Ring around the
Sarah, do small.
catch it by the posy. Dash it, yeah, found them.
Sarah, do
Ring
small.
around the rosy, catch it by the posy. Dash it, yeah.
Sarah,
found
slowly.
them. Hang on, for the dash it by the posy. Dash it, yeah, found them.
Do some more. Good job. Slowly.
What you will do if I wave it on earth? That I would have a I will not have a sister.
Play with your sister. Tell Tai Tai, what you telling me? It's not Mama playing with his Tai Tai. So sit to play Tai Tai. Oh.
I'm gonna catch you for Gilly. Factory, Gilly factory, Gilly factory, Gilly factory, Gilly factory. Mama,
I am in the kitchen. We got back off the road and I'm in the kitchen. I am making dinner for, no, not for the Bam Bam, but just Tyler and Sarah. They're having, tell us they want rice and sausage. Okay. You get to say whatever you want for dinner for the next 1 week. The same thing.
Okay.
So they're having rice, sausage, and carrots. Dinner.
And for dessert, ice cream.
And for dessert, ice cream. Okay, don't say that too loud for Sarah. So that's what I'm making for the kids right now.
Ice cream.
I'm not even laughing.
Already?
Yes, well not no, after dinner.
Yes.
Here are singing happy birthday. She see the candles. Happy birthday, dear Sarah.
Happy birthday, Kitty.
Blow the candle, blow, blow, go. Blow. Make a wish. Wherever I see she candle, she sing happy birthday. Look at you two, cutie, cutie, cutie.
Nana, you're hot. Happy cold.
As I'm cooking.
I
Go play with
like
your
your
sister.
coldness. Because I'm too hot.
Boom.
Coldness. Coldness.
But now you make me hot.
Coldness.
There goes dinner for the littles. They changed their mind from sausage and I made chicken instead. So it's chicken, carrot, and coconut rice.
I just wanted to make sure you follow.
God, you're too funny.
Hey guys, look at this beautiful woman. She looks tired. Day one.
So
Day one of your diet.
day one of your diet that I'm on following you. I don't know why did I agree to do this.
It's hard. I didn't.
It's hard.
I didn't remember that it was that
Hard.
hard. I took a tablet for the headache, and the headache is okay now. But so I don't know if it's the hungry or if it's because this morning, yesterday I took tablet too, so well, maybe it's there. But I just feel my stomach right now. I want to go to a fast food and eat not one but 2 meals.
It's hard, but what makes it a bit easier is that we're the 2 adults in the house, and seeing him not eating things that he's not supposed to eat, then it motivates me
doing it together. It's a good.
Yes, if it was him alone doing it and me eating, or me alone doing it and him eating, it would have been worse. Yeah. So the good thing is that we have each other's back. So
let's see if we will succeed for 10 days.
I'm having a headache right now, and it's after 10 and I need to go to bed, because every time I walk past the kitchen, I look on the chocolate, or I look at Tyler eating the snack. I'm like, I cooked them dinner and it smells so good. I didn't even taste it.
I'm gonna watch TV. I'm gonna make sure I have the bottle of water just beside me.
I didn't do too bad on my water today. Look, it's 10 p.m. and my water is at 8 p.m. almost finished.
Well done.
So I didn't do too bad. It's well done. Maybe I'll finish it before bed.
Mine are finished. I mean, I'll take another one.
But it's the weekend and I didn't get any nap today. Babe got a nap. Babe got a long nap. I didn't get any nap today, so I'm tired right now.
2 hours nap.
So I'm going to bed, leave him. It's gonna be harder for him to stay up. You know why? He's gonna be hungry like hell. So it's better I go sleep right now and forget about my hunger. Because right now I can't kiss my teeth and say, yo babe, I'm gonna eat a snack, yeah? Earlier I tell babe, make me a cup of hot chocolate.
But the good thing is, well, I said the good thing is, yesterday when we went shopping, we didn't really buy much.
We buy nothing to give us temptation.
But in the same time, we have the kids, so there's all of the snack from the kids. The first time we did it, we didn't have no kids.
It was easier.
Tyler wasn't there?
No. Oh yes, probably Tyler was there, but I mean he wasn't eating the things that he's eating. Now he was a baby.
Just baby, so there were no all of this chocolate snack and. But. No, we'll make it. We'll make it.
We're gonna do this. It's only day 1, but they always say the first 4 days is the hardest. Even in the book, it says the first 4 days is the hardest. So it's day 1, and I am struggling, but I'm not gonna give up.
Yeah, dinner
we
was
had
hard.
2 eggs for mid-afternoon snack, and then a little bit of nuts after dinner. So.
I should try the raw carrot too. And
the workout?
The raw carrot.
The raw carrot. Okay, I can cut some up for you.
And some cucumber.
Yeah, I can cut some up. It'll be more filling.
Yeah,
we'll fill you up some more, so I can cut up some tomorrow.
Yeah, I can do that with the egg. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and if you want to know how gonna be the next day, you know what to do.
Give this video a thumbs up right now. Subscribe if you're new to the fandom, and if you haven't subscribed already, catch up and keep up. Of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm going to bed. You alone can't stay up. Just stay there. I'm gonna kill you. I don't cheat when I'm going to bed.
No, I do it for myself. I can cheat every day when I'm at work. Yes, I can.
Do it for you, Bo.